Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, August 27th, and we got a couple economic news releases scheduled for today, and they are important news. Excuse me, I'm kind of mispronouncing here. We got the Case-Shiller Home Price Index for the month of June, and for the month of May, we had a 12.2% appreciation year over year. In the month of May, and the June came up at 12.1. So still kind of a hot market there. Something we got to watch over because obviously it's not extremely climbing. It could be at its peak. We also did experience a spike in the interest rates back in May as well as June, and then we've had a few since then as well. So around that time period, we'll have to kind of wait and see if how much further home prices, that appreciation will go up. So we're still seeing on a realistic level, home prices still going up, but it may not be double digits or it may not be 12% on a national scale. Now, Case-Shiller is 20 of the largest markets in the U.S., so in those markets. Let's also take a look at the consumer confidence for the month of August. So we had an 80.1 rating in the last reporting, and for this reporting it was supposed to go down, and it jumped up to 81.5. So we got decent numbers today, not bad. So we're going to jump over to the headline news here, and the stock market's actually down, and that's primarily because what's going on is they're kind of disregarding what's going on with the decent news we got, but there's talk about possible military action that could be happening in Syria. Now, there's talk that U.S. might get a little bit stauncher with their talks with Syria because apparently the Syrian government, current government, has been using chemical warfare on which killed approximately 1,300 people over in as the rebels. So U.S. may step in there and try to counter what the Syrian government is doing, and this is kind of stirring the markets right now. Also on the horizon, the investors are kind of looking at October because that's the dates that they expect the debt ceiling to be reached. And after Congress reconvenes after Labor Day weekend, they're going to have to be addressing this issue here. And this is something you'll probably be seeing in the headline news over the next month or so until they can get this resolved once they get up towards the debt ceiling. So now let's jump over to the bond market, see what's going on over there. And today we're getting an improvement in the pricing. So great news there. We're approximately about a half a point improvement in the pricing. So we had a 99.69 close yesterday, and right now we're at 100.22, which gives us 53 basis points for the day, which is approximately about a half a point in the pricing. So a nice improvement. So we were weighted down, as we saw, down about 98, and now we're up to about 100. So we got over the last week, we have improvement approximately about almost 2 points there, and kind of making up that about approximately 2 weeks ago, approximately that big drop we had, that sudden drop when the Fed members were talking about tapering of the quantitative easing or the mortgage-backed securities. Now we're kind of working our way backwards. All right, folks. So nice day today. We're having an improvement, and thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and tomorrow we'll have more economic news. So I hope that I'll see you guys tomorrow.